guys, we're back with another video, and today we're going to do a Depression era water pie. Now, it's really funny that I'm coming back with another pie because I usually don't do them, but I've been seeing some really interesting stuff on the internet, so it makes me want to do them. I don't always do my own recipes, and I'm interested to see what other people make. So let's get started. We have a cup of sugar. I'm going to put the ingredients on the side of the screen like I always do. But we have a cup of sugar here. And we have 4 tablespoons of flour. And sift them together. It's so I'm interested because I can't see this going. Not sift, but mix. I don't know how this is gonna go. But everybody that I watched do them say they're really, really good. If not good, weirdly good. Except Emmy made in Japan made hers with eggs. She was the only one that I seen made hers like that. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do what everybody else done and with the recipe that I pulled up. And I'll put it down in the description area. So I have a pre-made crust. I'm not doing that today. So we're going to do 1.5 cups of water in the crust. I mean, this is really weird. I know. I know I said the same thing. And we have this here. And whether you do it with your hands or however you want to do it, just sprinkle it to where it goes evenly inside of the pie crust. Now my husband is frowning his face up, and I have frowned my face up every time I look at this thing or somebody do it, okay? And it's quite scary because whoever made this pie must have been every level of desperate back in the Depression era days because, honey, let me see. It's not even, it should get even, I'm not gonna worry about that. Then we're gonna do a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm not gonna lie, I mixed this with a little bit of coconut extract and some butter extract because I'm scared myself. So, okay. Then we're gonna top it with 4 tablespoons of butter is what I'm doing. But I had an extra tablespoon, so I wanted to use it, so that's it. That's what they said do, Mark. And there's a piece of butter there. So I have my oven preset for 400 degrees. I'm gonna let this cook for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna turn it down to 375 for another 30 minutes, and I'll be back with the finished product. Okay, you guys, this is it. Water pie from the Depression era. I'm kind of skeptical. It's I guess it could have set a little longer, but I was trying to get the video done. But still, I still got a piece out of it. So, Mark, you want to taste it? I got my fork too, so we both taste. You go ahead and go first. You're ambitious. It's a big piece. Just.
I think it needs to set up a little bit longer.
And well, we ain't got a little longer. Okay, we got tonight.
For flavor?
It's not the worst I've ever had.
I mean, if you're looking for a cheap...
If you can't afford nothing else, no other pie in the world. If you can't never ever taste the taste of a real pie, never, ever again, this is okay.
I think it'd be better with your homemade crust.
I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna take a bigger piece because I'm gonna taste it because it's still. I could have cooked it a little longer, I think, but I didn't want to burn the crust. You see, it's a little set right here. It's not bad.
No, it's not bad.
It's weird, actually.
It's weird, yeah.
Try again, Mark. Get you a nice piece, though. Get you a nice big old look. I don't know what to make of it. It's not bad, guys. I mean, I don't know that I would do it again. I don't know that I'd do it again, but I don't. It's definitely a desperate depression pie. It's not bad. bad though, right? Like I could eat another piece, but I wouldn't make another pie. It's like gummy.
Well, that's why I think if it's set up a little longer.
No, I'm eating this part. This is okay. So it's not nasty.
The store-bought crust is a no-no.
That's because I just made a crust.
I know, and it was delicious.
I'm gonna have to say no. All right, it's it's not nasty. I can see where they would love this in the Depression if back then in those times they were looking for something sweet. They had sweet tooths then, just like we do now.
I think if you're looking for something cheap,
Easy.
you don't have nothing else except for a little tiny bit of sugar and flour, an empty pie crust maybe in the refrigerator or freezer, and you just got a sweet tooth for something.
And you're desperate.
And you're desperate. I think this would do.
Yeah, it's not.
But
anything that
as
I'd
far
make
as
again.
something I would
Bring to a party,
bring
or serve
to guests, I don't know.
Well, guys, here you have it. Depression era water pie. And, we hope you like the video, but if you don't, we're not surprised. We don't either. So, but we're going to post it anyway because, that was the purpose, was to try something that we haven't tried. Now, I'll do a lot more of these videos where other people, other recipes that other people, have tried. But with that being said, we really appreciate your few minutes of time for watching, and give it a try. You might like it.
Yeah.
It's not bad tasting at all. It's
It's weirdly good.
Just good. Just good.
It's like
to me,
weirdly...
I don't know what to make of it. I'm gonna be honest. Maybe you should try a piece with a little whipped cream on it or something.
Or a little fruit or something.
No. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys.